If you need to request a refund from Monster 2025, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review the refund policy. Check Monster 2025's official website for their refund policy. Understanding the terms and conditions will help you determine if you are eligible for a refund. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information including your order number, purchase date, and any correspondence related to your purchase. This will make the refund request process easier. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Monster 2025's customer support via their official contact methods. This may include email, phone, or live chat. Be clear and concise about your request for a refund. Step 4. Submit your request. Follow the instructions provided by customer support to formally submit your refund request. Ensure you include all required information and any supporting documents. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within the specified timeframe, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of all communications for future reference. By following these steps, you can navigate the refund process with Monster 2025 effectively. Good luck!